In this video I'm gonna show you how to set Fortnite to high priority and also how to fix the access denied error in Fortnite. And let's start. So first of all, what you want to do is click on the search bar and type regedit and open the registry editor app. Click on yes. Now once it's open, what you want to do is click on the arrow next to H key local machine. Click on the arrow next to software. Click on the arrow next to Microsoft. Now click on the arrow next to Windows NT. Click on the arrow next to current version. And now right click on image file execution options. Click on new and click on key. Now rename the key and set its name to Fortnite client Win64 shipping.exe and click on enter. Now right click on the Fortnite client Win64 shipping.exe folder that you just created. Click on new, click on key again and name it PERF options and click on enter again. Now right click on the new folder that you just created, click on new and click on dword 32-bit value and name the new dword CPU Priority class and click on enter. And now what you want to do is double click on the CPU Priority class and set the value data to 3. Click on OK and you can now close the registry editor, restart your PC and start Fortnite. This will set Fortnite to high priority and this will automatically fix the access denied error. Thanks for watching and please subscribe and like this video if it helped, and also comment down below if it didn't and I'm gonna try and help you. Thanks for watching again and bye.